Welcome to In-Depth Analysis. We have Auntie Kemi Olulayon. She's back. But wait till she carry come back. My mouth no fit talk am. I go like make una use our own ear. Hear waiting our very auntie get to talk. Auntie Kemi, over to you.
Former aviation minister Femi
Yeah.
Fani-Kayode said, he was once in a relationship with Bianca.
Yes.
And you supported him. You
I
said
supported him
true.
because I was there.
She was there.
So they were lovers.
I was there. Let me tell you something, Jola. This is a great question. During the time FFK was in London, we were all teenagers. FFK will be one of the oldest one, 19. We were like 17, 16.
Okay.
In London, in those days, we had a group of people.
I couldn't hear.
You know, the Awolowas, Oyedirans, those are all Awolowas' grandchildren, or Shimbajo, or maybe Dolapo Shoyode. Dolapo Shoyode is Dolapo Shimbajo now. Dolapo Funke Awolowo, Yewande Oyediran, Kemi Oyediran, Bukola Saraki, Bemi Saraki, the Folawiyos, Kemi Adeniran. Every one of us were in London at the very same time. If you're going to a club on Saturday night, Stringfellows, everybody was there. Everybody knew who everybody was dating. Fani-Kayode was dating Bianca. Fani-Kayode was in Cambridge. I've seen Bianca in Fani-Kayode's room many times, loved up and everything. It's true. They went out. And she got pregnant twice. Everybody knows.
Nadia?
By Fani-Kayode. The first pregnancy was a miscarriage. The second pregnancy, they were already engaged to get married. Bianca's father was Governor Honor. Governor Honor, O-N-O-H. I think her father was Anambra. I think it's Anambra State. Her father was a governor. Her father was 3-month governor, just like my dad. And they were supposed to get married. They were engaged already. So Bianca did not want to go out with Fani-Kayode anymore. So she had an abortion. I mean, I don't say these things. I might type it on social media. I'm saying it on camera now. She had an abortion. The second one. So when it came out that, who knows you? I've never met you before. Oh, come on. I had to talk. Femi did not pay me a penny, a dime. I heard people saying he paid me to say those things. No, he didn't pay me. He didn't have to. You know what I mean? I mean, I swear to God on this camera, he didn't pay me a penny, a dime, nothing. I just spoke the truth. The others may not have wanted to speak at all, truth or not, because they were. If I was in a position, I was governor, I was senator or House of Rep, I probably wouldn't be able to say anything because I'd be wading myself into a dirty scandal. And Bianca was an ambassador, to Spain. She lied, period. And all the Igbos attacked me on social media. They attacked me on social media. They were cursing me because she's their first lady of Biafra and all this Ojukwu.
Why would they attack
Biafra?
you?
You've expressed your support for the movement. Even the International Business Times actually wrote an article, social media campaign.
Yeah.
And you're for Biafra.
I was for Biafra. I've left the movement.